Welcome to the Amazon Multi-Channel Fulfillment, or MCF, for SHEIN App Setup Guide. The Amazon MCF for SHEIN app automatically fulfills your SHEIN orders from your Amazon inventory. Your shoppers get fast, reliable delivery while you get unified inventory management across all your channels. The MCF for SHEIN app is free to install. In this video, we'll show you how to get set up, so you can start automatically fulfilling your SHEIN orders using Amazon's world-class fulfillment network. Before you begin, make sure you have 1. A SHEIN US Marketplace Seller Hub account with approved product listings. 2. An Amazon Seller Central account with inventory in Amazon's US fulfillment network. If you don't have these accounts yet, create them first and send inventory to Amazon using Fulfillment by Amazon, also known as FBA. Step 1. Log into the MCF for SHEIN app. Log in to Amazon Seller Central and use the left-hand menu to navigate to Apps and Services, then Selling Partner App Store. Search MCF for SHEIN and select Open in Seller Central to open the MCF for SHEIN app installation page. Step 2. Prevent double order fulfillment. If you already use another tool to connect SHEIN with MCF, such as an order management system, ERP, or third-party connector, don't run your current tool at the same time as the Amazon MCF for SHEIN app. Running both could result in double fulfillment of the same order. To learn more about how to avoid double fulfillment, click on the link in the modal. To continue, click Acknowledge. Step 3. Connect your accounts. Follow the prompts to connect your SHEIN Seller Hub account. Grant permission for the app to access your product, order, and inventory data. You can connect one Seller Central account to one SHEIN Seller Hub account. Step 4. Configure your MCF warehouse. Create a new warehouse in your SHEIN Seller Hub that is dedicated to the Amazon MCF for SHEIN app. Set this warehouse as your first priority warehouse. SHEIN assigns a unique warehouse ID to the Amazon MCF for SHEIN app. The app uses this ID to identify which orders it fulfills. Use this warehouse only for MCF orders to prevent duplicate shipments. On the app setup page, select the same warehouse. You may need to refresh the page before you can select the warehouse you just created. Click Save after selecting your warehouse in the dropdown. If you later rename the warehouse, your configuration stays the same unless you uninstall and reinstall the app. Step 5. Map your SKUs. Correctly mapping SKUs between Amazon and SHEIN ensures that your SHEIN orders are fulfilled with the correct products from your Amazon inventory. The app automatically syncs your Amazon and SHEIN product catalogs and maps identical SKUs. Mapped SKUs are automatically activated for fulfillment by Amazon and real-time inventory synchronization between Amazon and SHEIN. If any SKUs remain unmapped, link them manually on the SKU mapping page by editing the Amazon SKU so that it matches the SHEIN SKU. You can search for the Amazon SKU on the FBA inventory page. Be sure to copy the SKU number and not the FN SKU number. When you update products in your SHEIN catalog, the app keeps everything in sync. When you add new products in your SHEIN catalog, the app automatically maps identical SKUs, but you will need to review SKU mapping to check for unmapped SKUs. To deactivate Amazon MCF for individual SKUs, click the 3 dots on the right-hand side of the SKU listing and select Unmapped SKU. If your catalog includes more than 10,000 SKUs, contact Amazon Seller Support or your MCF account manager for help. Step 6. Configure shipping options. Choose which MCF shipping option you want to use for your SHEIN orders. Select Standard for 3 business day delivery or Expedited for 2 business day delivery. Standard is the default option. Step 7. Inventory and order management. After setup is complete, the MCF for SHEIN app automatically updates your inventory levels in SHEIN Seller Hub. SHEIN Seller Hub will only display fulfillable inventory that is currently available in Amazon's network. Inbound shipments are not displayed until they arrive. SHEIN automatically routes orders to your first priority warehouse, which you should set as your MCF warehouse in SHEIN Seller Hub. All customer orders assigned to your MCF warehouse are fulfilled by Amazon. Your orders are automatically created, tracked, and synced in real time in both Amazon Seller Central and SHEIN Seller Hub with matching order IDs and shipment tracking details. Step 8. support, and next steps. If you need help, submit a case in Seller Central or contact your Amazon MCF account manager. To learn more about MCF features and fees, visit the MCF help page or explore Seller University tutorials. You're all set. Simplify your operations, delight your customers, and grow your e-commerce business with the Amazon MCF for SHEIN app.